Hi, this video is for users of MedicalDirector clinical software and will demonstrate how to enter a medication and reason for medication in a patient record. Ideally, a list of patients' current medications are displayed on their health summary, the summary page of MedicalDirector Clinical, and there are numerous ways to add and access medication and medication information within MedicalDirector Clinical. I will go to the current RX page. And here is a list of the patient's current medications. To add a medication, I can right click, select new item. Another popular way to add a medication is to click on the RX icon at the top of the screen. This also allows the creation of a list of favorites and easy access to those. So favorites being commonly prescribed medications. If you just type a few letters of the medication, you can then see the coded list displayed, and it's very important to choose from a coded list as this enables cross-checking of the database for allergies and contraindications and will provide relevant alerts and warnings. Make your selection by double-clicking. A warning will appear if that's appropriate. For example, this patient has celiac disease. There is the product information monograph available. Make your decision, and in this case, add the dosage, the frequency, and any instructions, noting there are also other instructions and text that can be saved and inserted for more complex instructions. A very important button here is whether this medication is long-term or limited. So for antibiotic cover, for example, choosing limited means that when that medication should have elapsed, there will be a prompt to mark that medication as completed or re-prescribe. If you mark it as completed, that medication will thereafter be available in the old script section, helping to ensure that this current medication list remains accurate. This information, of course, being shared on referral letters, on admission letters, on summaries uploaded to My Health Record and care plans. We can select OK in this example, and there's the add to favorites we can see over there. Change the quantity and repeats as required, or tick use defaults. This reason for medication is extremely helpful. It is also part of the general practice standards to include that. So your patient's coded past history list will appear on the right of the screen. If the reason you are prescribing is one of those conditions, simply double click to select. If it's not, start typing and you'll find the diagnostic list will appear. So for this example, I might choose bacterial urti. It is not something significant enough to add to that coded past history, but it is a reason for the patient's contact today. So I can tick that, OK. The medication prescription prompt will appear again in case I wish to prescribe more than one at this time. I'll close that, and you'll note that the printer icon remains to the left of the medication I prescribed, waiting to see if there will be more than one medication. If not, I can go up to the printer icon at the top of the screen and select to print. Correctly recording medication details and specifying a reason for the medication in MedicalDirector Clinical is important for a number of reasons. Firstly, it helps to maintain the integrity of the client's current medication list, ensuring it is as accurate as possible. This improves safety when prescribing and ensures warnings about drug interactions are accurately displayed when adding additional medications. Secondly, it ensures that clients' medication lists transferred to external organisations are accurate. So that includes referrals, care plans, patient file transfers, and uploads to external sources such as My Health Record. And finally, specifying a reason for the medication adds important detail that benefits internal and external users of prescribing information. The same medication can be used for different indications, so having each medication linked to a reason improves safety and assists in understanding medication usage patterns and management of health issues in our client population.